In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Woocommerce product grid in WordPress using Elementor free. If you're looking to display your products in an organized, visually appealing manner on your website, a product grid is a fantastic choice. It's not just functional, but also enhances the overall aesthetics of your site. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to WordPress.com. This platform is your go-to destination for building and customizing your website, and it's user-friendly and packed with features that cater to all your design needs. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, the next step is to click on the Login button. This will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Make sure your credentials are secure and saved to avoid any access issues in the future. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From here, you can manage everything related to your website, from posts to plugins. Pay close attention to the menu on the left, as it's your pathway to all the features you'll be using. The next stop on our journey is to click on Elementor from the dashboard menu. Elementor is a versatile page builder that allows you to design unique and stunning web pages without needing in-depth coding knowledge. If you haven't already installed Elementor, you may need to add and activate it beforehand. This tool is indispensable for creating a sleek, modern product grid. Now, go to Edit with Elementor. Clicking this will open the Elementor editing interface, allowing you to customize your pages in a highly intuitive and visual way. Everything here operates in real time, so any changes you make will be immediately visible, which is a huge time saver. Next, we want to click on Add section. This is where you'll decide on the layout of your grid. At this point, you can choose how many columns you want in your grid. This flexibility lets you tailor the display to fit your product range and aesthetic preferences. Then, we proceed by clicking on Grid. Elementor gives you the option to drag and drop grid layouts, making the entire process seamless. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation of how your products will be showcased. Just drag your preferred grid layout onto the page where you want your product grid to appear. After setting your grid layout, it's time to fill it with your products. Ensure that your product images and descriptions are clear and appealing, as this will significantly impact your viewers' browsing experience. And there you go. In a few simple steps, you've built an attractive Woocommerce product grid using Elementor, enhancing both the functionality and aesthetic of your website. So, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful and are ready to enhance your WordPress site with a beautiful product grid. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy building!